Flowerscom review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're buying flowers online, most people get this wrong by assuming all bouquets are priced equally. The surprising truth is that Flowerscom offers a wide range of arrangements, from budget-friendly options to premium designer bouquets with prices reflecting flower type, size and delivery speed. Standard bouquets typically start around, while large or premium arrangements can cost. Same-day delivery or special holiday orders often include extra fees ranging from. Subscription services for recurring deliveries may cost per month depending on frequency and size. What you get: fresh flowers, a variety of arrangements, convenient online ordering, and optional extras like chocolates, vases or cards. What you give up: higher costs for convenience, occasional delivery surcharges and variability in local florist fulfillment. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Order in advance for holidays to avoid high same-day fees. Step 2. Compare bouquet sizes and flower types to match your budget. Step 3. Check for promo codes or discounts for first-time customers. Step 4. Consider subscription plans if you want regular deliveries at a lower per bouquet cost. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore delivery times. Late orders can arrive wilted or delayed. The surprising truth is that Flowerscom pricing reflects freshness, convenience, and optional add-ons rather than just the flowers themselves. In conclusion, Flowerscom provides flexible pricing with options for every budget. Understanding base costs, delivery fees, and extras ensures you get beautiful arrangements without overspending.